Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a Shopify data to your Google Data Studio, which is now called Looker Studio. Very easy. First, once you're logged into your dashboard, come here at the top left hand panel, click on Create, and then click on Data Source. Now from here, you'll see different connectors, right? So we need to get the Shopify connector. A great one is called Supermetrics, okay? You can search it up. So let's just search Shopify and I'll show you. You can just search Shopify, and I suggest you use this one. It's the number one connector for Shopify. They also give you a 14-day free trial. Okay, Shopify by Supermetrics. And then first click here on authorize. Okay, it will want you to sign in to your Google account to give it authorization. Just choose your Google account and you'll be fine. And then we need to go ahead and log in to our Shopify. Okay, and if you still see this message, don't worry. If you still see authorized, go ahead and choose your Google account again. Sometimes it glitches like that and you have to come here and click on allow. Okay, and after this, you should see that we have been authorized. Now we do the same process with Shopify. Okay, so come here, click on authorize, and then just go ahead and log in to your Shopify account with Supermetrics. Okay, so we need to authenticate our data source. So we need to connect Shopify. So just enter your store name and start the connection process. Your store name, by the way, is just the first part of your name in your URL, as you can see here. Okay, really that easy and simple. And after this, you'll be able to import your data.